Hi, Ma'am, Sir. I'm Griselda Lapitan, 31 years old, live here in the Philippines, married woman. I have two children, one boy, age of 10 years old, and one girl, age of 5 years old. I am high school graduate. I work as a domestic helper in Hong Kong year 2019 to 2020 with one employer. I currently serve one couple and one children, age of 5 years old. My duty is taking care of the child, cooking, marketing, laundering, and cleaning. I am also willing to take care of pet. I'm also work here in the Philippines as a housemaid year 2020 until now. I serve one couple and three children. My duties was marketing, cooking, laundering, and cleaning. To my future employer, please choose me as a housemaid because I am hardworking, honest, and fast learner. I promise to be a good housemaid and prioritize my job and finish my contract as long as you want me to stay. I will stay. Thank you, ma'am. Sir, looking forward to work with you. Thank you.